Alex, what do you think? We can cater the shoe cabinet over here.
Yeah, it's good to have some storage over here. It's better to cater in some sitting area.
Yeah, it's great.
So this is the living room space.
We need to create the ceiling, then the floor entire here with the display from here. We cater the display cupboard because the customer have a lot of display. Hey, Alex, do something from here.
How about we shift this away to the backyard area?
Good idea. Because the dining table, the owner need to have a round table. Alex, what's going on?
Okay, actually the intention is to hack off this area.
Okay.
And we're planning to have a separate kitchen, wet and dry kitchen.
Yes. Oh, is it you fully utilize the island kitchen to be here?
You are right.
Great. Then we extend entire the kitchen to be L-shaped.
How about a awning structure?
Yeah.
With some window panel.
Yes, great. Alex, remove.
Okay.
Go.
Remove this and create more storage.
Yes.
How about a walk-in wardrobe?
Yeah, great.
Do contact us for your landed house consultation.
Call this number.